Kogan Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Kogan Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, focusing on its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. The Kogan Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a robust tool designed for e-commerce sellers who want to simplify and automate their dropshipping business on Kogan, one of Australia's largest online retail platforms. This integrator is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to streamline product imports, manage inventory, and automate order processing to maximize efficiency and scale their operations. One of its standout features is the ability to import products from suppliers to your Kogan store with just a few clicks. The tool ensures real-time synchronization of inventory and pricing, keeping your product listings accurate and minimizing the risk of overselling. It also supports bulk uploads, which is especially beneficial for sellers managing large product catalogs. Additionally, the integrator automates order fulfillment. Customer orders are forwarded directly to your suppliers, and tracking details are updated in real time, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. A significant strength of this tool is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to manage product listings, monitor sales, and handle order workflows. The automation capabilities reduce manual tasks, allowing sellers to focus on growing their business. The integrator also supports integration with multiple suppliers, providing flexibility for sellers who source products from various vendors. However, there are a few potential drawbacks. For beginners, the setup process might feel complex, especially if you're not familiar with configuring APIs or aligning product data with Kogan's platform requirements. Additionally, while the tool is reliable, occasional syncing delays or discrepancies in stock levels may occur, requiring some manual intervention. In conclusion, the Kogan Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool for sellers looking to optimize their dropshipping operations on Kogan. Its automation features, real-time synchronization, and bulk import capabilities make it an excellent choice for scaling your business. While there's a small learning curve during setup, the time saved in the long run makes it a worthwhile investment. Check the links in the description to explore this tool further and see how it can help you succeed on Kogan.